and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie and happy Multichrome Monday. This is a series I do here on my channel where I talk about all kinds of different multichromes, and I do eye swatches, swatch comparisons, anything and everything that has to do with multichromes. And today I'm going to be doing a multichrome bingo, and I'm only going to be using my Terra multichromes for now, and I'm going to be picking 2 random shades to put on my eyes. No mattes, just multichromes. So we're going to be definitely putting some shimmer shadows in the crease. So here's my palette of all the multichromes from Terra. There are 2 shades. I believe one of them is Charon or something like that, and Celine, and those 2 are technically not multichromes, but I feel like they are. Like I swatched them in my iridescent multichrome swatch comparison video, and I feel like I couldn't tell that they weren't. So I'm going to include them in here. I also am including the more vivid types of shades, which those to me aren't really that shifty, but we're going to include them anyway because they're labeled as multichromes. And so I'm going to be counting 1 through 46. There's 46 multichromes in here. It's a lot. I know I have a lot. First number is 23. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that shade is Looking Glass, and that is a black-based multichromes from Terra. Next one is 18, 16, 17, 18. We've got Light Year, which is an iridescent multichrome. Next up is 37. Then we have Callisto, which this one is a really unique and super cool kind of shade. So I don't know how that's going to go with our purple multichrome. Next up is 15, which is this shade right here. And that is Celine, which is one of the shades that are technically not a multichrome. And then we have 21 is the last one. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. 21 is another green shade, and that's Radiation. Also forgot to mention, I did try to kind of jumble these up. I didn't want to put all the iridescent multichromes, the black-based multichromes, and etc. like all together. I just felt like it might be a little bit more randomized if they were just totally like, you know, widely put in there basically. So I'm going to swatch all the shades. We've got Radiation, a nice green. Then Light Year, Callisto. Oh, that shade is so pretty. I don't know if I've used that shade yet. And then Celine, so pretty. And then lastly, Looking Glass, which this one actually broke on me. I dropped it, but it still works. So that shade just makes, actually it's green. It shifts to a purple though. So it's kind of going to be a little interesting to try to put all these on the lid. Obviously I'm not using any mattes. I'm probably going to do like a wing and then put the rest of them on the lid. So let's get closer. I primed with a Be Perfect primer, and I did set it. I'm starting off with Looking Glass. I'm gonna use it to draw a wing. I did spray my brush after I picked it up. Don't want to go in with a glitter primer yet. I'm gonna bring it just a little bit underneath as well. That's a thick wing. Whoops. And so this I don't want to blend because it's going to reveal the black base. I'm going to have to clean that up. Really wish I didn't take it and make it this thick, so that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So now I'm going to lay down some glitter primer. This is the NYX one. And I'm just going to pat it pretty much kind of everywhere. Do plan on getting these in my crease. Going in with Radiation. I'm gonna use that in the middle portion. I'm gonna try to kind of blend this into Looking Glass a little bit. I do need to bring this up higher though. This is such a stunning shade. This is one of those shades though that to me isn't like too much of a multichrome. And then going in with Light Year on the inner portion of my lid because it's got like a goldish green reflect. And I'm actually gonna take that and I'm gonna like overarch it over the whole thing. Probably should take a different brush for that, but that's fine. I'm gonna do like a really interesting shape with this. Oh, it's so pretty. I could just wear this all over the lid with no base all day. Like, it's just so stunning. So I'm just following that. And then I'm gonna go back in with Radiation and just pack it back on so you can see a little bit more green there. Taking Callisto and putting it under my lower lash line. The shade is also really, really stunning. And then using Celine as the inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go and do the other eye off camera now. Here's the final look. I really love how this came out, and I actually want to do more looks like these where I use all shimmers, because especially the green and the way that it shines, I feel like it really brings out my hazel eyes. So I'm really excited how that came out, and let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do more of these. I was thinking of doing one with all my Clionadh multichromes as well as Divina multichromes, and I could also do one with Shine by SD multichromes. I don't have as many, but it could still be really fun, and I promise I won't do a wing every time, because then obviously that's an easy way out of different eyeshadow bingos. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup content already on my channel and much more to come. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.